How to allow WhatsApp camera access. So make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. First of all, go to settings of your phone. After you come to settings of your phone, if you are using iOS device, just scroll to down and tap on WhatsApp. If you are using Android device, tap on this app management. Under this app management, tap on this app list. So in this app list, all you have to do is just tap on this search bar to search for WhatsApp. After you type WhatsApp, as you can see here is WhatsApp, so tap on it. After you open up the WhatsApp, tap on this permission. So under this permission, as you can see, you see the first option which says camera, so tap on it. After you tap on this camera, make sure you choose this first option which says allow only while using the app. So make sure you choose this option, so tap on this back. So from now, WhatsApp can be able to access your camera. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.